Hello. Today day 32. We are in day 32 and 11th December we are in. Please take a moment and read this disclaimers. And the common mistake which usually everyone will do, and I have made a video out of that in the November summary month. November month summary, and it will be very useful. You please go through it, and this will be there. uh, Summary things will be there, and the metrics the definition sheet have the what are the metrics and what's the definition. And we are going to see as part of daily update, we are going to see the 32nd update, and these are the things already you guys may know that, and we have some certain capital things we need to change. We will discuss and what the update. So today what happened, these are the consolidated profit is around not consolidated, cumulative realized profit will be 49,678. So it's starting from October last week, and now we are in December second week, so it's around eighth week we are going. In the eighth week we got around 49,678 out of 1 lakh. And this last few days I am utilizing this buffer amount, and that's not good, but I will close that um, tomorrow. Maybe once the one position tomorrow position closes, then the this thing will be reduced. So that's the thing. And risk reward will be more, because it is calculated only based on the 12th December position 12th December position. So it's not a problem. Actually, it's not in the range, but it's not a problem as of now, because we have counter position in the Jan and December upcoming weeks. And maximum unrealized loss will be minus 16,500 around. So, and here 30% capital we lost means, then we will stop the series because we failed to do risk management. That's what I can say. So we need to save our capital. And the 32 what happened I will tell you, and it's not a big change. I haven't do any much thing on top of yesterday's one. And today also I didn't get any good chance to buy 50 more quantity. And I actually it's a loss only for me, because earlier I have portion of 50 quantity at 81 rupees or something. I closed that to buy at a better price actually. Means to sell at better price 3 days back I think. And but actually now I did last 3 days it's consolidated very much, and I didn't get any chance to buy that, so I didn't do anything. And so it's okay. So I that's the reason I took two position in December uh, month end. um, so tomorrow this position will close, so I shifting that position to here. So both the position are open, so that's the reason our buffer money is being utilized. And I don't want to take on tomorrow also. Again, yesterday was what I said, it's a risky thing, so I thought of taking that at the month end 50 quantity. So as long as it is consolidating or going upward, then we will make profit in this December thing. Jan thing already it's in loss, so um, we will focus on those things in the upcoming weeks, based on the Nifty movement. And VIX some are more increases, some portion it reduced. And gold slowly it rised for the last 10 days, more than 10 days I think. And now it's in positive 32 rupees 75 since we bought. This is the first time I think, first time it's in going in uh, positive territory. And these are the booked profit. Usually we may see that 30,000. This is not a consultative one, this is only from the 30th December. From in the first week only I think we got that amount, this amount 30,000. Yeah, I haven't changed anything in last 4 5 session. So it's we 29th day 29th only we got this amount. And I haven't changed it for last 4 5 days, because I waiting for the opportunity, but I didn't get that. So I didn't take that position only. So no, I don't want to go behind that And realized unrealized profit loss, if you noticed, it's a daily going down. So earlier 19,500 or something in day 30, 9,500, and day 31 it's 17,500 something, 750, and today it's 16,464, and it's a good so because it's consolidating, so it's going down. And our aim is try to take some around 10k plus also it's fine in December series, and but we got more than that, and but we need to keep that money without any loss. That's the first thing. Second thing is Jan series we have loss, we need to minimize that, then only it is considered as profit. And this is about the four different calendar we have a different position, and I put that separately, and it's just a 50-50 quantity, so it's showing very small amount, but it will make sense if it is consolidating, then before we start January we will be around we may reduce the loss by 66,890 rupees. So even if it goes the maximum loss, then we can reduce that amount, and it's the same thing we will do in the Jan series also. So more than like we may reduce around 15k, 10 to 15k. So even if it goes in loss or something, then 10 to 15k we will lose. So it's okay. We first 2 months we got some good money, and that month if it goes, it's also fine. Now our goal is not to take good profit in Jan, just to reduce the loss. And this is the crux which we have, and it's like I can see it's like more or less it's the same, only gamma it's going down, rest are all like almost similar only, and these are all less reactive because it is staying away, and probability is almost zero because we don't have chance to go in positive in 12th December, because I haven't take the another portion. So that's update for 32, let's say on tomorrow.